Well, you know, with 2 seats, we both could ride. I've never been a backpack, so it's not going to start today.
I guess you're riding alone.
I just bought a second motorcycle today. She's supposed to have oil on her.
It should be there.
Hey!
You can see it was running really, really rich. Mamacito.
This is so fun with the springs.
Yeah, I honestly do not know how it mounts.
This is pig skin?
Yeah.
Huh. Is it the way the cops like the motorcycles?
Oh!
Got him!
Yeah, so I think, from my understanding of nothing, this will need to have washers on the inside of the spring so that we can bolt down from the inside of the spring.
Yeah.
Kind of like how it's on the other side of the spring with a washer, and a screw, right?
Yeah.
Meanwhile, this guy, we're going to have to feed this nut through here and tighten it. Because this is not an open slot.
Fuck. Yeah.
Unless we cut it and it becomes an open slot.
It'll slide out.
This is our bike. We can do what we want. Doesn't this look beautiful, guys? Like with this look rather than that long seat.
Is there a plate or something that goes on this thing?
Nope. You want me to show you the other seat? How that looked?
Yeah. Oh, those brackets come off, Sarah.
They do not.
Fuck my life. You need these brackets.
They do not, sir. This one says FPP's okay. So we'll put the big seat back on for today.
Boo.
I'm sorry, but we want to ride it. And I ain't riding it with no seat. You know what I mean? Know what I mean? It needs more down.
Does it?
Yeah. Oh, okay. That's enough. Thank you. My finger is still pointing in the right direction. All right, that's good.
Thou shalt not underestimate my fat ass.
I didn't underestimate. Oh my goodness, so much vibration. Dude, but like literally my feet were vibrating, my hands were vibrating, my ass. Like that's such a stiff seat.
Pig skin.
Oh my God. Well, and there's like no cushion left. It's
nothing.
just rock hard.
Yeah.
And like not in a cute way. We found these here brackets and we think they can either go like this or flip the other way. But I'm kind of guessing they go out kind of like this because that's a perfect fit pretty much to be straight up and down that way. So like this one would go over here just like that.
Yeah.
That's what I think.
Oh yeah, I think you're right. I think we can put the seat, like, temporarily put, like, just a knot there.
Yeah.
And then we'll put the seat on.
Well, that's what, like, so if I just place it, so this will be here. Oh, that's perfect.
That's perfect.
This is it. We don't need to buy nothing.
Correct.
Sorry, Megan. Don't sue me. So we need to find a nut that will fit in that slot then.
And, oh yeah, there's plenty threads.
Yeah.
And then we need 2 screws. Okay.
Yeah.
I think we got...
I say we use those screws with the really big washers for the seat.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we'll have to use.
Yeah. I don't know where they went before, but they're going to get used for this now.
Yeah.
Because we can do this thing inside. Let me get this on camera.
Okay. I think I got it.
Aw. I was looking forward to
Mocking me? No.
Yes. Oh, sorry.
I feel very attacked!
Relax. So I think this goes in through here.
Yep. Wait, look at that face. Rage!
I can't.
Do you want me to hold anything? I could actually help instead of just being a dick.
No, you can be a dick. It's fine. I will figure
I have
this out.
a screwdriver. That might help.
Oh, yeah. It's going to be a... I don't think it'll help, but...
I'm trying, man.
No.
Because don't we have to get the washer in there too?
Yeah. So...
Oh, baby. This is high stakes. Yeah, I'll come help.
I think this gotta go first, no?
I don't remember at this point.
Yeah.
We've tried so many different fucking things.
Iterations, yeah.
Yeah! Alright, I'm gonna hold this just like this and we'll just put the washer and thing on it.
Yeah.
Look at it, guys!
I like the yeah! Battle cry. With the washer, I don't know how to tighten this is what my issue is. How do you tighten that? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm thinking. Our dilemma is that we need a bolt that will go straight up and down. And then it's got to have a nut inside the slot of the seat. And we need a way to tighten this while the seat is on it. So we can't really access it unless we're from, like, literally this is the only angle we'll be able to access. But we need to be able to have this thing not move. So it's like we need a large square nut that will fit in there that won't turn.
Mm-hmm. And then
we just adjust from the bottom, right? Like a flathead like this already is designed, or because like I was able to turn it when it was tight,
right,
with the flathead.
Because even if I put this guy, for instance, through here,
Yeah.
it's going to be challenging to turn that.
Yeah. Like I wish instead that this was a bracket.
Yeah.
That we could just bolt straight down.
Right.
Bolt straight down.
Or if it's just a hook that hooks underneath it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I agree.
Okay. You want to go to Ace?
Yeah. Oh, Tim's back. All right, we'll be back. So, this initially had another piece of metal right up here, just like at the bottom. We cut this off, so now we can just slide this into place on the bolt that we're gonna have pointing straight up from this point. So we were at the Ace Hardware and these helpful children helped us figure out like how we want to do that. Do we want to do it that way or the other way around?
Like this.
Okay.
So I can tension fit the two bolts.
Yeah, you're right. Yep. Okay. Yeah, so we're planning to get this bolt here. We're doing it like that. Okay, peeps.
All right. Post.
Oh, we never put this one on. That's what fell off earlier.
I see.
Let me go get that before we put the seat on.
Mm-hmm.
This would be infinitely harder.
Okay. I think this should be good. So, all I wanted to do was like mock fit this, see if it slides in place.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I think that'll work good.
Should good. Can go down some more, in fact.
Yeah. What do you think? Looks pretty sick, huh? Ooh, we still got to do the rear light. Okay, don't judge. We don't have any turn signals. Who needs those? It's none of your business which way I'm going.
We can just buy an integrated one, slap it on there.
That's true. Yeah. Doesn't it look nice with that one seat though? Oh, so good. Ooh. Hurry. So nice. Okay.
All right, go for it.
Oh my God. This seat is so stiff. I love this bike. The vibration isn't so bad once you're on the gas. It's when you're off the gas that it's so rough, you know? You vibrate so much less with that seat, with those springs. Like that seat versus that seat, this one's way better.
Oh yeah.
Like your whole body isn't shaking because you're not bolted to that fucker.
Right. It's springy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
But like this seat,
Oh, it's so much.
I'm like, this is way less vibration.
Yeah. Let me shut this off.
She starts, man.